My servants never die. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Halloween themed cupcakes. Things you'll be needing to make your Halloween themed cupcakes are some Halloween themed baking cups, vanilla frosting, 1 cup of water, 1/3 cups of vegetable oil, a box of cake mix, a tray for the cupcakes, 3 eggs, and some Halloween themed Oreos along with a mixing bowl. Before we begin, remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The next step in doing your Halloween themed cupcakes will be preparing the batter. The things you'll be needing right now is 1 cup of water and 1/3 cups of vegetable oil. And let that just simmer in. Ooh, watch it move. Once you've added your liquid ingredients, you will then add your cake mix using this thingamajigger. Use scissors and slowly add it into the thing. And then just shift it away. Now we just let it snow into the ingredients until it's a nice blend. Now once you've had liquid and dry ingredients put in the bowl, we're going to mash it up by mixing it up together. I'm kind of lazy, so I have a little kitchen aid to help me on my way. Call it my witch's brew. I'm going to adjust it like so and then start it up. Start it up. It's kind of loud at first, but you'll see it taking shape. That's how I like to do it. Once it starts taking shape, I like to then add the 3 eggs, one at a time. Now, carefully get the little remaining of the batter that didn't spoon in so that it can go ahead and be mixed in, or however you want to call it. Probably be easier if you turned it off and then putting it on. Silly me. And just wait for it, and then do the other side, so that everything can be mixed evenly so. And then just rub it gently so you can have extra batter for the cupcakes. So once you've prepared your baking cups in the trays, you'll then proceed by using your Halloween themed Oreos and placing them in the bottom before adding the batter. If you notice, the filling are orange and the bottom parts are Halloween themed Oreos. And then you just plop them right in. Now that you have your dry and wet ingredients mixed well, now it's time to use this brain scooper and pour them in to your baking cups evenly so, hiding your Oreos. like to put it a little bit since your Oreos are taking most of the room. You'll have extra for later. So once you've put all your batter in the trays, you will then put them in the witch's cauldron to bake at 350 degrees for exactly 22 minutes. Time to get your frostings into the prepping bags. You're going to make sure you get a pair of scissors and cut them a little bit just so you can have an entry point for your frosting. Since we have two different colors, purple and white, we will be using 2 bags. For a little support, I have my little Mickey glasses so that you can have an easier time pouring in the frosting. Use anything you want. I find it easier to use a spoon. Then we just do it with the other side. Once your cupcakes have cooled down, here is my favorite part. It's time to decorate. Using the 2 different colors of frostings that you put in your piping bags, you'll use the white ones for your ghosts. And then just frost it on so. And if you have anything to decorate them with, you could either put a little ghost or a skeleton as such. Just stick it in there. And there you have it. 1 down and 2 more to go. Now for the witches, we'll be using the purple frosting. And then just do the same thing. These are a little cool because they're little witch legs. You just stick it like so. Oh no, she fell down. I got these last cupcake decoration. Treat yourself. You could use either one or maybe both. Let's see what I can do. Maybe the outer layer can be purple and have just an inner one white. And then just do the repeat for the other remaining cupcakes. Poof. Boom. And there you have it. Your Halloween themed cupcakes are ready for your enjoyment. You got your little skeletons, your little boos, and your upside down witches. You can even tell that your little skeletons are ready for their little Halloween parties. Happy little boos. Now we're gonna go and unwrap one of them and see what the surprise inside the cupcakes are. And if we did it correctly, we might see a little secret image. Ooh. Little haunted house. Maybe that's why the witch got stomped upside down. Little Wicked Witch of the West. Or East. Get that movie. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give a like, subscribe, and comment down below any suggestions that you would like for my next video. Bye!